why some animals choose to live alone, and why it matters for conservation. Let's begin. A tiger, a snow leopard, an orangutan. Strong, silent, alone. But here's the twist. They're not lonely. They're not antisocial. They're designed to be alone. And this one truth can completely change how you understand wildlife conservation. Why being alone can be smart. Let's break a myth first. In nature, living in groups is not always better. Animals don't choose to live together because they like company. They do it only when it gives them an advantage. Think about it like a survival equation. If living in a group helps you survive, animals form groups. If it creates more problems, animals stay alone. Group living has benefits. Protection from predators. Hunting together. Sharing information about food. But it also has costs. Fighting over food. Disease spreading faster. Competition for mates. So, what decides the final choice? Food. If food is spread out in small amounts, animals live alone. Found in big chunks or hard to catch, animals cooperate. Nature is not emotional. It's mathematical. Now let's understand this with real Indian animals. Sloth bear. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated animals, the sloth bear. It eats termites and forest flowers. Sounds easy? It's not. Termites are hidden. Food is scattered. And once eaten, it's gone. If multiple bears come together, there's simply nothing left to share. So they stay alone. Take the tiger. A tiger hunts animals like deer, sambar, or gar. These are not group hunting prey. One tiger is enough. If two tigers hunt together, they don't get double food. They just split the same meal. So evolution made tigers solitary. Each tiger controls a large territory. Females, 10 to 50 square kilometer. Males, 30 to 100 square kilometer. They don't fight daily. They communicate using scent marks, scratches, and roars. Efficient. Silent. Smart. Snow leopard. Now go higher, into the Himalayas. Meet the snow leopard. Here, prey is extremely rare. Sometimes just 1 to 2 animals per square kilometer. If snow leopards lived in groups, they would starve. So they live alone, covering massive areas of 100 to 200 square kilometer each. That's not a choice. That's survival math. The big conservation problem. Now here's the part most people don't realize. Solitary animals need huge space. Let's go back to the tiger. One tiger is equal to up to 100 square kilometers. Now imagine a healthy population. You need around 150 to 200 breeding tigers to survive long term. Now do the math. That's around 15,000 to 20,000 square kilometers of connected forest for just one species. And here's the problem. We don't protect land like that. We break forests into small reserves, roads, human settlements. Even though India has around 75,000 square kilometers of tiger reserves, a lot of it is fragmented, disconnected, not enough prey. So the real issue is not tigers being solitary. The real issue is, we don't design conservation based on their needs. We design it based on human convenience. So next time you see a tiger walking alone, don't think it's lonely. Think of it as perfectly adapted. Because solitary animals don't need friends. They need space. And right now, that's exactly what we are failing to give them. Alright, thanks for watching, and please suggest us with some more weird questions. Goodbye.